Jai Hind, dear students. I welcome you all in our geography class. In our last class, we have discussed about asteroids, human-made satellites, and natural satellites. In our today's class, we will be discussing about meteoroids, galaxy, and universe. So let's start. What are meteoroids? Meteoroids are small pieces of rocks which move around the sun. So, small pieces of rocks which are moving around the sun, they are known as meteoroids. Sometimes these small pieces of rocks they are attracted towards the earth due to the gravitational force and they are burned in the atmosphere due to the friction and they cause a flash and light and they are also known as shooting stars. Sometimes these meteoroids they fall on the earth and they create a hollow also. In all over earth many meteoroids have been found. Now next one is the galaxy. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and cloud of dust and gases. So in a galaxy you will find billions of stars and the name of our galaxy is Milky Way galaxy or Akash Ganga in Hindi. Now what is universe? Millions of galaxies they make the universe. To understand this concept, see this diagram. Here you can see many solar system they will make the galaxy and billions of galaxy they will make the universe. So the universe is the largest unit and the smallest you can say planets are there. With this we have completed our chapter. Now let's discuss the exercise. First, A. How does a planet differ from a star? A planet differ from a star. First point, planets are small in size, stars are very big. Second, planets they don't have their own heat and light. Stars they have their own heat light. And third, examples you can write planets Earth, Mars and the star Sun. What is meant by solar system? The sun, eight planets, satellites, and some other celestial bodies like asteroids and meteoroids, they form the solar system. So basically, solar system it consists of sun, eight planets, asteroids, and meteoroids. C. Name all the planets according to their distance from the sun. Answer will be according to their distance from the sun. The planets' names are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Next question. Why is Earth called unique planet? Earth is called unique planet because only on the Earth favorable condition to support life are available and only on the earth only you will find water and air which are very essential for survival. E. Why do we see only one side of moon always? We see only one side of the moon always because the moon takes exactly the same time to complete one revolution as well as rotation. Next one, what is universe? Millions of galaxies they form the universe. Take the correct answer. The planet known as Earth's twin is Venus, which is the third nearest planet to the Sun, Earth. All the planets move around the Sun in a elongated path. Pole star indicates the direction of north. Asteroids are found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Fill in the blanks. A group of stars forming various patterns is called constellation. B. A huge system of stars is called galaxy. C1. The moon is the closest celestial body to our Earth. D. Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun. And E. Planets do not have their own heat and light. With this, we have completed this chapter. You all have to write the question answers in your copies. Thank you and Jai Hind.